here with another video, and this video will be on this hair that I have on my head. This is an update on my Hermosa hair from Amazon. Yes, child, this is the Amazon hair. Still flowy, still popping. Now, if you did not see my previous video, I do have a 28, 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch closure. I did receive this hair, and overall in that video, everything was great. And in this video, everything is great. This video will not be long. I just wanted to update you guys because a few people have asked me via Instagram and like on YouTube, is this hair good? Does it hold up? Is it worth the hype? And it is worth the hype. Now, like I said in that video, if you order this hair off Amazon, you can sign up for the 30-day free trial for Amazon Prime and get your hair in 2 days. Literally, since you order it Wednesday, you get it Friday. How they happy? That's the best shipping ever. Now, the hair itself is still the same from in the first video. I still love it. It's still good. And sorry if y'all hear somebody in the background. Bobby playing Fortnite, y'all. But the only thing that has changed about this hair is the fact that when I wear it, the back where the nape is, it gets a little bit tangled, but that's to be expected as far as I'm concerned, because where I stay, it's hot as hell. Miami's hot. Like, it's hot. There's no way around the heat here, so it's gonna be tangling up in the nape area. But other than the nape, I don't have tangling problems with this hair. This hair is great, and this is probably, like, I have wigs. Insert a clip. So this one is the one that I, you know, gravitate to more like constantly. And yes, this is my everyday wig that I put on, even though it's super long. This is the wig that I put on every single day. Never pick another one. This is the one. So I have worn this hair. I have put it to the test. I washed it, put it in the heat, let it air dry, straightened it, crimped it with the crimp, like the wave artist. I've used that one just to see what it will do, and it works perfectly fine. So that's a plus. But other than that, this hair is great. It's A1. I love it. I will order from them personally. I will order from them because the quality of the hair is great. And I believe the total price for these inches, a 28, 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch closure, I believe it comes out to like $176. Yeah, I believe that's how much it comes out to. I will leave it in the description bar so you guys can check that out yourselves. But all in all, nothing has changed about this hair. I just wanted to go ahead and update you guys because a few people have asked and say that so still popping, so still boom. Still has its luster and all of that. But yes, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you see me looking up like to the sides and stuff like this because I'm looking in the mirrors. Beauty. But yes, you guys, that is it. Shout out to me.